On my way home from a camping trip, I happened upon Austin Western's Job 207 in the small town of Bertram. I caught them after they had apparently finished dumping ballast on the siding in town. Here we see the job's lone EMD SD40-2 scraping its plow on the fresh ballast. The engine is now performing what is called a runaround move. It will pass the cut of ballast cars on the main line before coupling to the other end of the train. This allows the train to proceed in the other direction with the engine in front. With the train reassembled, Job 207 departs Bertram for its base, Summit Yard. You may notice something interesting about this train. The engine is now facing backwards. This is called running long hood forward, railroad terminology for running backwards. The move gets its name from the fact that the back end of the engine is far longer than the front. As the train clears, it passes a strange wayside signal made out of road traffic signal components. Personally, I have no idea what this is, or was, used for. I decided to chase 207 to one more crossing a few miles outside Bertram. I met up with my friend Austin Western Railfan here. Be sure to go check out his channel in the description. The EMD 645 Prime Mover puts on a beautiful show lugging the ballast cars upgrade. Thank you for watching this video. I sure hope you enjoyed it.